Platinum Tech's 10-piece master spark plug socket set meets or exceeds ANSI specifications. The set also features chrome-plated vanadium steel for good looks and exceptional strength. It offers 3 different 3/8-inch locking square drive universal joint extensions that allow access to difficult-to-reach areas. It also has 7 of the most popular spark plug socket sizes for use on a majority of foreign and domestic vehicles. Each socket is equipped with internal magnets to securely hold spark plugs in place during removal and installation. The sockets have a full polished chrome finish for superior corrosion resistance, and include a custom blow-molded tray for convenient storage. For more information on this product, or to see the full line of Platinum Tech products, please visit atdtools.com.